Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create twisted fins as our facade. Okay, let's start. So at first, we're going to start with a rectangle. X size, give it 6 meter. Y size, give it 20 meter. So we can use this rectangle to build a box as our basic of the building. Then we're going to explode curve. Then we use list item to pick up the edge that we want to use as the face of the facade. So we'll give it 1, just right click, set integer, change it to 1. That's the edge we want to build a curve in, build a facade in. And then we're going to divide curve. We just give it, let's say 8A for now, and then we're going to move it up. Direction Z, unit Z. So the top of the building will be 6 meter, 2 levels. So that's the bottom of the fin, that's the top of fin. Then we're going to have a bit of variation on the top and bottom. So what we are going to do is to type in graph mapper. So graph type will be A0 again. It's quite similar to the step that we did for the last tutorial. So the input will be a range of number from 0 to 1 as the input. So step will be same with the fin numbers. So we can see the range that from 0 to 1, 81 numbers. Same with the point or the fins we're going to have 81. So we connect it here. And then we type in multiple and then connect here, or we type connect here and here, and connect back here. So that's the top. We change that a bit. So that will be the top of our fins. And then we're going to copy these guys again, paste here. This time I'm going to change the graph mapper. So these will be the bottom of our fins. Then we're going to type in line, top and bottom. So we got the axis of our fins. It's under curve, division is called frame, perpendicular frame along the curve. And here, count, we give it 11 for better control for now. And then we're going to build a series of rectangles as the profile of our fins on each plan. So we're going to type rectangle, and the plan will be all the frames. X size, you can see 0, 1 to 1. This is actually domain. So we're going to type in construct domain, not just to construct domain. We just need a 1D domain, construct domain. Domain start, right click, set expression, we type in negative X. So the length of our fin, we're going to have say 200. 100 mil. So it's from minus 100 to 100. And the width of our fin will be, say, from minus 6 to 6. And then we connect here and here. That's not really the direction we will want, so we swap the X and Y size. Then we're going to turn all this off. So now we've got all the rectangles. So if we simply lock them, we can have all the fins. But now they're just straight fins. And then the next step we're going to use is to rotate all these profiles along the axis. So I'm going to rotate. So the geometry will be all these rectangles. The angles, we're probably going to use Graph Mapper again to control the rotating angles. Graph Mapper. So the input again, we're going to use 0 to 1. Going to put range again. Steps will be 11. So, and then we connect the output of the range to the input of Graph Mapper. Then we type in multiple. Then we're going to type in pi. This is actually from 0 to 100 degree. Then we connect here back to the angle. So that's 12 numbers. Geometry, that's 12 branches. So each number is working with each branch. In the plan, I'm going to connect the frame to the plan. So now you can see all the profile rotates alongside the axis. Then we're going to connect geometry to the curves to have this rotating sort of fins. Then we can simply play with the number that's antiques. We can play with the Graph Mapper to play with the rotation of the fins, and also the factor we can type in 2 pi is rotating 360 degree. So in that way we can have a good control. With 0.5 it's 90 degree. So at the bottom is actually aligned with the facade, and the top is perpendicular to the facade. We can also play with the Graph Mapper here a bit to control the shape of our fins. That's a shape I'm happy with. Then remember I'll put in the cap pose. It actually caps all the top and bottom of all the fins. Then we can pick it out for visualization. Yes, please. I save it, and then change it into render. A bit of visualization. It looks pretty good. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Please subscribe to support and check out my other videos.